Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture.tv. I don't know why I'm holding the bag up, but yay, we have a Louis Vuitton unboxing today. Will and I just went to Melbourne yesterday for 2 days for work, but also when in Rome, okay? Will goes 1, we're not in Rome. 2, you're always in Rome, Jerusha. Listen, there's no answer, okay? There's no answer, but no, okay, no. It's not Murakami. Just to be clear, it's not Murakami. Yes, it is brand new. Brand new. Louis Vuitton unboxing, that's what we're going to call this. In a nutshell, I am pretty sure I was not meant to be sold this yesterday. Truthfully, I seriously, I think I just ran away and we'll just pretend this didn't happen and I won't tell anyone / put it on the internet for everyone to see. But I think this wasn't meant to happen till tomorrow or the 2nd of February for this handbag to be released. So let's open it because the sales assistant sold it to me. So here's the ribbon, Louis Vuitton classic. He sold it to me, but I'm pretty sure, story-wise, I will tell you, down inside the dust bag, I don't think I was meant to be sold it. Just saying. But we ran away with it anyway. I'll give you the price tag and the code, the style code, because it is on it as well. But this is the brand new, releasing tomorrow or February the 2nd is its release date. The brand new Camille wallet on chain, or Camille clutch, I think, or Camille pochette, no, Camille clutch, I think is what it's called. Brand new release. / I don't think I was meant to get it. I don't think he was meant to sell it to me, but shh. Okay, he did anyway. The reason I say that is because I went, in between a meeting, I went to the Crown Louis Vuitton. Now that's where Mum and I went, and we stayed there when I went down to see the Purse Affair. Oh my God, hi to hi to Alex and Ange. When I went down there with Mum, we stayed in the Crown, and there is a Louis Vuitton inside the Crown. I went in there, we had a meeting near there, and I asked about, look, do you have the Camille clutch? Is it out yet here? And he was like, no, no, God, no, we don't even have it in the store. I said, like, can you just double check? Is it in any of the boutiques in Melbourne? Because there's 3. Right? No. Yes, 3. So the David Jones inside the department store, the Maison, the big Louis Vuitton on Collins Street. Yes, I think so. And then this one inside the Crown Casino. And I said, can you check in any of them? And he said, I'll go check, but no, it hasn't been released. And he came back and he said, actually, we have one that's going out on display now. And I said, oh, okay, can I purchase that? And he goes, oh, let me just check with my manager. He runs back into the manager, comes back out, and he goes, no. She 100% said no. And I was like, oh, are you sure? And he said, it's display only until release date, which is, he either said the 1st or the 2nd of February. Until the release date, I cannot sell it to you. And I was like, really? Like, come on. And he was like, no. She said, no, like, cutthroat, no. I was like, okay, no worries. And then in the afternoon, we were walking down Burke Street, which is where the David Jones is. And I was like, I'm just going to jump in here and say hi. And they were like, hi. I said, Camille clutch. And they're like, the brand new one. Actually, we just got one that just came in. Do you want to see it? And I was like, yes. And they're like, oh, okay, yeah, it's showing up, you know, available to purchase. And I was like, okay, thank you. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Let's go with the peaches. That's the story. We're sticking to it. Don't tell anyone, but I'm sure, you know, that's fine, okay? So here it is. This is what it looks like. It's kind of the barrel style, like a speedy barrel style. It has a classic S-lock. You enter it. It's got a little pull tab on the top, so it's exactly like a pochette Matisse setup. But I liked the whole idea of a clutch vibe rather than, I suppose, you know, a speedy is way more of a barrel. This is quite, you know, pliable and can sort of go under the arm as such. We have beautiful vachetta pre-patinaed. I would say actually it's a little bit pre-patinaed. Pre-patinaed piping in the vachetta. Again, I am definitely a fan of vachette. I know a lot of people aren't of the raw cowhide. Piping 2 D-rings on the side with vachette there. That is to house, push the S-lock, and it opens to the beautiful micro suede. And this is in the brownie, deep brown color, chocolate color, and it goes all the way down. I love Alcantara micro suede. I just love this lining. It makes it far more luxurious. So when you're saying a clutch or, you know, a wallet on chain or what this is coming under, it's much more, you know, and we're saying this because especially when we're mentioning it in Murakami, stay tuned, maybe I'll have another rant at the end, is that because it's Alcantara lined or, you know, the micro suede line, it is not like, okay, let's just get handbag of the day, why not? We always have stuff around us. It is not like this situation, okay? Speedy 20, pochette Matisse strap, I know. It was my one and only from Louis Vuitton in my one and done. Has everybody done that tag? I've looked at all the girls that have done it. If you haven't done it, do it. One and done from each brand. This is my Louis Vuitton. This is just cotton drill lined. So you can see there the red interior is just cotton drill. That's all it is cotton drill. Whereas this is really thick, beautiful, pliable micro suede. So it is really, really gorgeous. Down inside we have the interiors, the little interior card. And that is it. There is no, you know, slip pocket at the back. It is just one compartment. That is its other part I will show you with the chain. It says Louis Vuitton Paris made in Italy. As you can see there on the back, stamped there. Okay, you a shot, and then just really beautiful on the inside. And that is what it is basically made up of. There is its code. And this little tag, he even left that on the back. They don't usually do that in Australia. Anyway, moving on, we got it. So yes, it is a wallet on chain essentially without any card slots. A wallet on chain, a walk from Chanel has card slots. I feel that's where this fails probably a little bit. They could have done vachetta card slots at the back, especially probably for this price point. This price point is because of the Alcantara lining and because of this. So, wallet on chain, it only comes with a chain. I think what they're doing with this markup of chain on chain on chain on links on chain on strap and blah blah blah, I've said it before, they're definitely, you know, seeing what's going on with interchanging straps, and they're just, you know, marking up the totally capitalizing and marking up on the fad of that from years ago. It was probably 3 years ago we all started putting chains and bag straps and this and that. This is one long chain. However, if you really like that sort of bang for your buck thing idea, this is really good like that. So this is how the chain comes. One long chain like so. Okay, so there we go. So 2 mini claw clasps with LV either side, absolutely gorgeous, and it's a curb chain, very substantial, really beautiful like that. So if you wanted to interchange it maybe as jewelry as well, I know a lot of girls change it up, but the coolest thing about this is that it has the LV charm in the middle of it. So if I hold it there, you can see it's there, and then it has the 2 clasps with the LV on the back and front on it. So it comes completely off as a medallion. So that is it, as just the medallion coming off the strap. So you can see it there. And that's it. Off. There's no clasps on it. And then that leaves you with a larger chain. So this would be shoulder, or sort of, you know, doubled on. I mean, there's a lot of options chain wise. And then if you do have other bags, then this is the shorter one. You can put it on, the shorter one fits, I'll show you. If you do have other bags, you have other chain and strap options. And that is it there, all the way on as a wallet on chain. Let's step back for you, kneel back for you as I do. Look at these mod shots slash kneel shots. So crossbody on me, okay, you know, again, tall, really tall. So most girls, it will probably hit your high hip. On me, it hits my waist. Again, that's, you know, and then in a Chanel walk is much longer. So a Chanel walk, you know, a lot of girls have always said it's so much longer. So that's on one shoulder and as long. So like that option, and then taking this off and this side off. Okay, let's show you as a clutch. So cute as a clutch. This would be really, really posh and nice in Empreinte. Even in black epi, it would be so cute. It would be super. I mean, some people say, you know, canvas, monogram canvas is really, really casual anyway. So, all right, let's take this. There's a few options. This could be a longer video. But leaving the little medallion dangling down, I guess, is like a little kind of charm. You can see there. Sorry about the plastic. It's stuck on there. So this is short, the short one. So this would be kind of crook of the arm or just holding it like so. Little situation going on there. Or, so many options. Taking it off, again, you've got your little charm. A little clutch that you're holding, little wristlet. Cuteness. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then yesterday, after I ran away from the boutique with it in my hand, when I was running away with it, I thought phone case from Maison de Sabray. Cute, the little medallion on it. Bone strap from Louis Vuitton, which would be like $800. Hello, we're interchanging. Okay, we're totally interchanging. So you see that, leaving the medallion on there for a minute. I'm just gonna put this one on, and this is what I would use as, like, you know, using it as a clutch, maybe going to a wedding or an event or a cocktail party or going to lunch with the girls, whatnot. This is the one I would use because, boom, cute shoulder drop. This shoulder drop I'm just in love with. You just hands up, everything's going fine, da 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 da. I'm obsessed with my new Prada re-edition. I'll have to do a quick review on that because I'm obsessed. Obsessed, I can't put it down. It's so amazing. Anyway, I just wanted to do this unboxing and show you the interchanging. I mean, it's a lot. Okay, there's a lot you can do with this chain. So, opening the S-lock again. Here inside is just the interior. Let's go ahead. Of course, the phone fits and the lippy. Obsessed. Don't take it off. And what else have we got in this Speedy 20? We are using our Chanel card holder. We would leave the car key, taking my luggage tag off it. And yeah, we would go to an event like so. Maybe if you needed to fit another pair of keys or an extra card case at the back there, a flat card case. Otherwise, that's nice, and it's really mushy because of the micro suede. cute. Super pliable in the hands. That is sort of the width of it. Really nice. This is a really nice piece. If you're a collector, especially of the clutches, I know there's a lot of girls out there that collect all of the pochette accessories, kind of from all of the lines. One of my followers on Instagram, she chats to me because she's literally got every single pochette accessories there's ever been, ever, all the way through collaborations, each canvas, everything like that. I think that is so cool. So if you are kind of a collector like that, this is a gorgeous little piece to add. Very, very usable. And I don't know how I got that and ran away, but again, there is the code and it came in at 2.5. Again, what's what anymore? What is what anymore? I got in for a few items before the Hermes price increase. It's not too dramatic. I'm not shopping new Chanel right now. I don't know when theirs is or if it's been. I think it'll be in February, end of February. They're all in January, February, New Year. Anyway, so there you go, 2.5. Is it worth it? Who cares? I don't know anymore. All I know is, in closing, in closing, there is a story about Murakami. I will get to it. There might be unboxings. Maybe. Please hold, to be continued. There will be a story. All I can say is, what is it? The loudest what gets the most worms? Isn't there a saying like that? I heard Bose on Housewives Beverly Hills. I heard her say the other night on the show, a hit dog gonna holler. And I thought that was such a great saying. Yes, okay. Jerusha carried on and the whole world heard it. And trust me, I got feedback for it. I got feedback. I got subbies reaching out to me. It's crazy. I will fill you in and let you know. But this is the unboxing of this Camille clutch. Let me know below if you like it. Let me know below when it's releasing in your country. And don't tell anyone in Melbourne that I ran away with it before the launch date, because that manager will get really angry. Anyway, this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Take care. Peace.